Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. It encompasses a vast range of research areas, from molecular and cellular mechanisms to cognitive and behavioral functions. Understanding brain function is a key focus of neuroscience research. The brain is the control center of the nervous system, responsible for processing information from our senses, coordinating movements and behaviors, regulating physiological functions such as heart rate and breathing, and generating emotions and thoughts. Neurons, the specialized cells that make up the nervous system, communicate with each other through electrochemical signals. This communication allows us to sense and respond to our environment, store and retrieve memories, and carry out complex tasks such as decision-making and problem-solving. Several techniques are used to study brain function, including electrophysiology, brain imaging, and behavioral experiments. By deciphering the mechanisms underlying brain function, researchers hope to develop new therapies for neurological and psychiatric disorders and gain a better understanding of what makes us human. Neuroscience is a multidisciplinary field that draws from biology, psychology, physics, mathematics, and engineering to study the nervous system at different levels of organization, from molecules and cells to circuits and systems. At the cellular level, neuroscientists study the properties of neurons and how they communicate with each other using neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals across synapses, the points of contact between neurons. At the molecular level, researchers investigate the genetic and biochemical mechanisms that underlie neural development, plasticity, and disease. At the circuit level, scientists study how neurons are organized and functionally connected within different regions of the brain, and how they interact to generate complex behaviors and cognitive functions. At the systems level, researchers use various brain imaging techniques, such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and positron emission tomography, PET, to map patterns of brain activity associated with different tasks, emotions, and mental states. One major area of research in neuroscience is understanding the neural basis of cognition and behavior. This involves investigating how the brain processes and integrates sensory information from the environment, how it plans and executes motor actions, how it generates emotions and motivations, and how it supports higher cognitive functions such as language, problem-solving, and decision-making. Another important area of neuroscience research is understanding the neural basis of neurological and psychiatric disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, schizophrenia, and depression. By identifying the underlying neural mechanisms of these disorders, researchers hope to develop new treatments and interventions to improve patient outcomes. Overall, neuroscience is a rapidly evolving field that holds great promise for advancing our understanding of the brain and improving human health and well-being.